Can you delete Cash App transaction history? Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video we will see if we can delete Cash App transaction history. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, open up your Cash App. And if you're wondering if you could delete your Cash App transaction history, unfortunately you cannot delete or clear your individual transactions on Cash App, because all your payments that you sent or received are permanently stored in your activity feed for the security and record keeping, so you cannot delete your transaction history permanently. But instead you can delete your entire Cash App account. If you really want to remove your history, the only option you have is to close your account. To delete your account permanently, open up Cash App, tap on your profile icon at the top right corner, go to the support, then tap something else, then choose the account option. Now go for the close my account or close my Cash App account option. Then you have to follow the instructions and confirm your account closer via email or SMS. After you delete your account, it will remove your access as well. So after you delete your account, you have to create a new account with a new email, phone number and your cash tag. Link a new payment information to avoid linking the old transaction history in your new account. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.